Good morning, everybody. This is Georgia Hightower. Please like my videos. Like them, subscribe, rumble them, and I promise you I'll do the same to all of yours. I always do. We're here to grow our channels and have some fun. Well, I don't know what in the world that one noise was, but I got two beautiful geese in my backyard. I guess they're foraging. That's the word. Let's get a little span of the old lake here. You can hear other geese in the background. Sounds like somebody's grinding on something. Y'all hear that tool in the distance? Listen. Of course, if you listen hard, you can hear crickets and other birds and other sounds. Okay, boys and girls. I don't know why I say that. I just do. That's just me. Y'all have a wonderful morning. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.